With no teammates to watch their backs in this match, our contestants must outwit and outplay each other. They'll need to seize coins from vaults or from eliminated rivals, and then bank them!
That's right, and each elimination is a payday in this game. Is in the books. I love data.
I hope the viewers at home are ready for a wild ride. Vault opened. Time to grab that cash. Somebody just banked some coins. A contestant just opened a vault. Modest deposit, but these small sums could lead to a big win. A contestant just opened a vault. Vault opened. That's a sizable amount of cash added to the mix.
Is rolling in the dough. Holding that much cash is impressive, but it paints a big target on their back.
Whoa! A contestant just wired a bucket load of coins to their account. More coins were just added to the match as a fresh vault has been opened.
Setting a mine! Dropped a mine!
A vault has been opened again, and the riches inside are now up for grabs.
Scanning that area!
Every coin counts. Nice deposit.
Are ready for a surprise out there.
A contestant just opened a vault. That's more coins added to the match.
This event not only amps up the damage in the arena, but it also amps up the excitement for our fans.
The steady gains. Another small deposit made. That vault contained a fortune. Now we're nearing the end of the match for sure. Our contestants seem to have taken out some frustrations on the arena, as Mega Damage is living up to its name, and it's not done yet.
We have a high-value target out there, folks. A contestant is carrying around many, many coins.
Coins banked by a contestant.
Gas mine dropped. Arming a mine.
That vault was packed to the brim. Someone is about to get rich.
One of our contestants is playing a dangerous game right now. In Bank It, having deep pockets might get you chased down.
Oh my! That was a Titan-sized deposit from one very determined contestant. A few more coins in the bank for one contestant. Zapping them. An eliminated contestant just dropped a mountain of coins.
Whoa! One of our contestants is really hoarding some coins. Let's see if they can bank that fortune.
And the final coin has dropped! One contestant now rises above the rest after a thrilling showdown. From all of us here at the finals, thanks for watching.